Micro and drip irrigation systems are a great way of minimising water wastage by directly watering to the root of your plants. We'll show you how to convert your pop-up sprinkler or spray head to a water-wise drip system. This will help reduce evaporation by delivering water straight into the soil. It's easy to install and should take you roughly 15 minutes to set up. Start by locating the spray head that you'll be converting. We recommend choosing a sprayer that is central in your garden. You'll need to clear the dirt around the area and safely unscrew the spray head and the body. Attach a 15mm riser to your sprinkler system that is slightly taller than ground level. We suggest flushing your system to remove any debris or clogged dirt. Once the system has been flushed, attach a 15mm threaded elbow, ensuring it is on securely and the drip line is pointing in the correct direction. Using a ratchet clamp, secure the 13mm poly pipe onto the end of the elbow and feed this through your garden. If you have spray heads nearby that you won't be using, remove them by placing an end cap on the riser. Cut the poly pipe to the desired length. Here we've used enough to install 3 drip heads. Close off the poly pipe by inserting a 13mm barbed end plug into the end of the poly and securing it with a ratchet clamp. To stop your poly pipe from moving, use hold down stakes along the pipe. Here, we're using adjustable 360-degree tricklers. Start by removing the barb joiner from the side of the stake. Using a universal drip punch, pierce a hole in the poly pipe and insert the barb joiner. Using 4mm flex tube, connect onto the barb joiner. This will take the water from the main poly pipe to each trickler. Cut the flex tube to length and join onto your choice of drip head. Adjust your dripper heads to suit your plants and ensure everything is in working order. Place the dripper in the ground near the plants that you'd like to water and repeat the previous steps for the rest of the drippers. Turn on your sprinkler system and adjust the trickler heads where needed. Holman, for the smart gardener.